Welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. This morning I will be preparing for you 2 pie crusts. So let's get started. Cream cheese, flour, 2 cups of flour, another cup of flour, that's 2 cups, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 stick of butter, which is a 1/2 cup, 8 ounces of cream cheese. Let's push it down in there. I'll take the dough out of the food processor. Just lay it down here. I got a piece of parchment paper down on my surface here. So we're going to just pull the dough together, nice and soft. This is going to make 2 pie crusts, so I'm going to cut it in half. And place the other half over here on this side. I'm ready for it. Butter and cream cheese is kind of hard because this came out of the refrigerator. Let's remove the top layer of the parchment paper. Yeah, let's bring our pan over and just flip it over and just remove the parchment paper. Still can move it, still can press it. I'm gonna get them in the corners there. You got a little too much dough on this side. I'm gonna cut some off. And add them to the areas where you need some dough. It's not difficult at all to make a pie crust. Just have to try it. And I'll cut some more off of this side here. A little more here. Place a little more on that side. on this side. Just press it down with your hands. I got some pepper under my nail because I cooked the brisket earlier. I'm sorry about that. Hands, but apparently still under my nail. And that's your first pie shell. It's all ready to go. I'm just adding some little ridges around the pie so I will know which pie is sweet potato and which pie is
pumpkin pie.
And there we go. Just poke a little holes in it. I'm not gonna pre-bake this one because it will bake. Oh, I'm starting on the second pie crust. Now this one is a lot better because it is softer. So it might be a good idea to just start off with room temperature butter and cream cheese when the weather is cold. And it's kind of cool here, so that's why it is, the first batch was pretty hard. And over so that you can see it. It's just about right. I got some extra dough on the side, so it should be fine. Pull that off, put it over there. Take your time, pull the parchment paper off. Like we need a little bit more on this side, so let's just pull it. Always stretch the dough when you get it in the pan. And sometimes people, you know, when they make this crust, they really put it in the pan and just work it in the pan. It's up to you how you want to do it, but I usually do mine like this. I'm gonna get my knife again and cut off the excess dough here and place it in areas where I need it. And when you make pies, you want to design them the way you want to. You know, when you make them yourself, you can do what you like. This is your second pie. Now, some recipes call for you to bake your pie in a 350-degree oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. Now, I was brought up just baking my pie, whatever kind of pie it was. I never pre-baked mine and it came out fine, but it's up to you. If you want to do that, you can, but I don't usually do that. I just poke some holes in here. You made 2 pie crusts, and it didn't take long at all. So if you like this video, like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day.